Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about the tree traversal operation. There are in the binary search tree there are three types of tree traversal technique. First one is the in order traversal. In order traversal. In the in order traversal technique, first we visit the left subtree. Left. You remember that when we traverse the tree in order traversal technique, then we visit the left subtree, then we visit the root, and last one we visit the right subtree. This sequence you may note that left, root, right is nothing but the in order traversal. Consider the tree. Suppose this is the tree. Here 1 is the root node. The tree has two child node 2 and 3, and 2 also have two child node 4 and 5. Suppose consider that this is the tree. Now we can traverse that tree in order way. So how we can traverse that? So first we visit the left part of the tree. So this is the left part of the tree. This is the left side of the tree, and this is the root node. So this is the root node. So when we visit the left part of the tree, then here 2 is the node, and here 2 have again the left node 4. So we can write the 4 here. Now again root left, then root is the 2, then 2, then right 5, then again his left part is completed, then again root 1 comma right 3. So this is the in order traversal of this tree. In order traversal. So what is the algorithm of this in order traversal? First step first is that traverse the left subtree. Traverse the left subtree is the first step. Second step is that visit the root node. What is step second? Visit the root node, or we say that visit the root. And third step is step 3 is traverse the right subtree. Traverse the right subtree. Okay, if I know that you have to understand better now how to traverse the tree, binary search tree in order traversal. Now second technique is the traversal technique is the traversing a tree in pre-order traversal. Pre-order traversal. So in pre-order traversal we visit the root first. Pre means root will be first. So how to traverse the node in the pre-order traversal? We visit the root node first. Now we visit the left subtree and then right subtree. The sequence will be right that root, left and right. Okay, then consider the same tree that we had seen in the previous order. Suppose there is a one root node, then it has two children 2 and 3, and 2 contain again two children 4 and 5. Now consider this is the root node. Consider that tree. Now we proceed this tree or traverse this tree in pre-order manner. So in the pre-order traversal, note that root will be processed first. Now we visit first root node. Now here 1 will be the root node. Now left and right. So here 2 is the left. This is the left part of this tree. This is the left subtree, and this one is the right subtree. Okay, left subtree and right subtree. Now one will be processed first. Now here 2 is again the left hand side and 2 is the root node, so 2 will be visited. Then left and right, now 4 and 5 will be visited, and last one is the 3 will be visited. So the pre-order traversal of this tree is 1, 2, 4, 5 and 3. You get it? This is simple. Now what is the algorithm of pre-order traversal? The algorithm is that first step is that, what is the step first? Visit the root node. Visit the root node, or we write visit the root. Now second step is that, what is second step? Traverse the left subtree. Traverse the left subtree. And what is steps third? Traverse the right subtree. Okay, this is the algorithm of how to traverse the pre-order binary search tree. Now again take the third way to traversing a binary search tree is the post order traversal. Post order traversal. Post means root will be considered at last. So how at what manner we can pass this traverse this tree? We first visit the left node, then right node, and lastly we visit the root of the tree. So in that way we can proceed when we apply the post order traversal technique. So again consider, friend, this same example. Here one has two children, child node 2 and 3, and 2 had again two children 4 and 5. Now this tree will be traversed in the post order way. So post order, in that we take a root at last. First we visit the left node. So 1 is the root node. What is the left node of the 1? 2. 2 is the again the root node. What is the left node of the 2? 4. Now 4 will be visited. Then right node 5 will be visited, and 2. Now this left part is completed. Now we go to the right hand side. So 3 will be visited, and at last 1 will be visited. So what is the algorithm of the post order traversal? We traverse the left subtree. What is the step first? Traverse the left subtree. Step second. What is step second? Traverse the right subtree. And at last step is that visit the root node. Visit the root node. This is the post order traversal of the binary tree. Now friend, suppose consider the tree. I will write that tree here, and you send me the answer of this tree. You can traverse this technique with the help of the in order, pre order and post order. So first node is 30, then it contains two root node 20 and 40, then it again contains two node 15 and 25, then it again have two children 5 and 18. Now 40 has again divided into two nodes 35 and 50, then 50 is again divided into two parts 55 and 60. So traverse the above tree in order, pre-order and post-order form, and send the result to the mobile. Thank you, friend.